Hi, this is Ray with Fast Car Decals and Ray's Auto Trim. Just want to shoot a real quick video for a little small kit that I sell a lot of them, but I'll be honest with you, it's the first one I've installed, and there's a couple little tricks to it. I just want to show you what it is. This is for the Dodge Durango. It's the hash mark. It goes on the side. It's a really nice looking stripe. This picture here is what it looks like in our catalog. I just want to show you a couple of little things about installing this stripe. I was like, wow, how's this thing go on? But really, it's really kind of nice the way it comes. The kit has notches, and so when you line those notches up, it makes for a nice installation. Then I use the hinge method to put it on. This is kind of what it looks like in the first stage. Of course, I've prepped it and cleaned it. Second stage, I've already peeled back, cut off the backing, and laid that down. I actually just used my finger. Now what I'll do is I'll take off the bottom layer of the stripe, get this tape off. I'll raise that up and bring this on down. Actually, I'm going to use my finger on this one because it's not that hard. Then I'll come back over it with my paddle. As you can see, I'm just kind of working it down until I get to the crease. And then I start taking it down off the crease. And you can see it's starting to come up a little bit. So what I'll do is grab the bottom of this and kind of relieve some pressure. Another little trick that you can do is, if things start to get kind of tight in here, you can cut that with your knife. Just lift that up, and in fact, I'm going to go ahead and do that. Probably don't have to, but I will. So it's kind of hard to hold this camera and do it, but I just went ahead and cut that. So now I can take each one of these individually and bring it down. Then I can work on the second one. Just take your time, work that out. And there you have it. And I'll go over it with my paddle. Also, what I'm going to do is after I pull the pre-mask off, I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to go right down the middle. Right down the middle. I'm going to cut that. Then I'm going to fold that stripe in, fold that stripe over, and have a nice clean look. You can also just lay your knife in there, but sometimes you get a little close and you leave some silver or the color of the car. So I just have to kind of come down the middle. Just take your time, cut that, roll it in, pop the hood up, kind of crease it down in there. And there you have it. That's the installation of how we can install pretty quickly the Dodge Durango double bar, and it's for 2011 through 2020 models. So I hope that helps. Subscribe, and thank you for watching our videos.